Welcome back to my English channel. Teacher Ismail in conversation. I'm right here. Now today we're gonna be looking at lesson 2B, and it's gonna be time for review. We're gonna be reviewing the means of transportation using adverbs of frequencies. This is grade 5. Alright, let's get ready for the lesson. Are you ready? Yes, teacher. See you. Yes, students. Alright, now we've got some pictures. Can you see some pictures of means of transportation? Yes. Now we have a bus. What color is a bus? It's yellow, right? And we have a van. What color is a van? It's yellow and orange. Can you see it? Yeah. Then we have a car. What color is it? It's blue. It's a blue car. I go to school by car. Then we have a motorbike. We have a motorbike. It's red and black, right? Then we have a young girl going to school by taking a walk, right? Yeah, the young girl takes a walk to school. And we have a train as well. It's yellow and blue. That's a train. And we have a bicycle. Can you see a bicycle? Alright. Yeah, those are the modes of transportation. And you have to remember some adverbs of frequencies. We have always, sometimes, and never. Do you remember them? Alright. Let me see you in my next slide. Now students, let's look at the instructions. What do they say? Let's learn how to use does in a question and answer with always and sometimes. Let's read together. Let's learn how to use does in a question and answer with always and sometimes. Right. Now we have some two tenses. Can you see the tenses? We have go and take. Go is changing to goes. Take changes to takes. Now look at go. Go is a present tense. Present simple tense, right? Go and take as well. So the indicative form of go is gonna be goes, take, takes. Now let's look at the conversation. We have a teacher and a student. The teacher is gonna say, how does your mom go to work? How does your mom go to work? Can you see does? Does is gonna make the tenses to change. Alright? Go is going to change to goes. When you're answering, don't say go. She go to work. No. You say she goes to work by bus. Do you understand? You say she goes to work by bus. She goes to work by train. She goes to work by a motorcycle. Do you understand? How does your mom go to school? She rides a bike. How does your mom go to the supermarket? She takes a walk. Do you understand? Takes, goes, rides. Yeah, that is the answering way. Let me hope you understand. Do you? Yes, teacher. Alright, now let's practice. How does your sister, let's put the family members in the conversation now. How does your blah 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 go to school? We can say sister, brother, grandpa, grandma, uncle, niece, nephew. How does your grandpa go to school? How does your friend go to the supermarket? Then you say, he sometimes takes a walk. You see, takes is changing because does. Take changes to takes. Let me hope you understand. Do you understand? Yes, teacher. Now, in slide 2, let's learn how to ask using do you and do they in a question. Let's read. Let's learn how to ask using do you blah 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 and do they blah 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 in a question. Right? Now, let's look here. We have do you blah 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 blah. Now, do you is always for one person. Kondiao. Do you go to school by bus? One person. Alright? So what do you say? You say, yes, I do, or no, I don't. Do you go to the supermarket by plane? No, I don't. You see, that's for one person. Do you, blah, 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 one person. Now we have, do they, blah, 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 blah. Do they, you see, is for 2 people, 3 people, 4 people, and many more. Some con. Do you understand? Do they, alright? Do they go to the supermarket by bike? Yes, they do. No, they don't. Do you understand? Let me hope you understand. Now let's go to the conversation. The conversation is between a teacher and a student as well. Let's start with the first person, right? Do you always go to school by car? Do you always go to school by car? No, I don't. Or you can say, yes, I do. Right? Now let's read together. Do you always go to school by car? Yes, I do. Or no, I don't. Now let's go to the next conversation for 2 people, right? Do they sometimes go to school by bus? Do they sometimes go to school by bus? Yes, they do. No, they don't. Yes, they do. No, they don't. Do you understand how to use that? Let me hope so, and see you next time.